अपना गोल्ड मनपुरम लॉकर में रखो। सब लोग ऐसा स्मार्ट बनो, कहीं किधर भी स्मार्ट बन जाए।
मनपुरम ऑनलाइन गोल्ड लोन स्मार्ट है।
You can't go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending. One such life-changing event has been Mrs. India Global Contest, for which I have flown all the way from Mumbai to Kochi. Born to a doctor mother and an engineer father on a bright October day, I have done my schooling from Father Agnell's Multipurpose School and Junior College. Those were the days my foundation was laid. Arts, dancing, and a good solid foundation in education is what I received from Father Agnell's school. I've made my best buddies from that school. A solid foundation in education helped me get through MBBS course after my 12th. 5 years of rigorous hard work and perseverance, and 1 year of government hospital internship. That was the time I decided that underprivileged people have to be served in this country. This doctor's degree is something which I proudly wear. Yes, I call myself Dr. Rajni Mashilkar. After 6 years of this education, I had determined, and because of my determination and a dream to become an ophthalmologist, I gave an entrance exam and then I got a seat in Masters of Surgery in Government Medical College. 3 years of a master's degree, I realized that there was more to earning money as a doctor. There was more to give back to the society. And hence, after I finished my MS degree, I decided that I have to serve in a government hospital to help the underprivileged. I started my private practice in a year or two after my MS, and side by side, I also joined a municipal hospital where I am the honorary surgeon and where I operate patients for free. Life wasn't unidimensional. Meanwhile, I got married to Dr. Yogendra Mashilkar, and after that came more titles: the title of a wife, the title of a daughter-in-law, the title of a sister-in-law, and the title which I'm proud about, the proudest about, being a mother to my 12-year-old son Tanishq. Well, I think a dream and determination can achieve everything. After my private practice, I shifted from one hospital to another. And yes, my goal in life is to carry everything that I do with charm and conviction. 40 years of my trip around the sun has taught me to be assertive about my ideality and to be larger than life itself. One such contest was participating in Mrs. Mulund contest, where I won the title. But life did not stop there. My dream grew, and I said, I have to compete at a global level, at a national level. And hence, my purpose to come to Kochi has a purpose. My travel to Kochi has a purpose. I want to take back the crown. I chose Pegasus because Pegasus has been into pageantry and into empowering women for over 2 decades. Well, that's what I called commitment in my dictionary. And I cannot wait to be a part of this endeavor. Thank you so much.
Time won't wait for you. Technology can't be redefined. We are ready to start the game. DQ Watches, your style icon.